Hi and welcome to ACES Centre. This is the Unit of Competency FNSACCT 606B, conducting an internal audit. This Unit of Competency will assess the following elements: evaluate information systems, develop implementation plans, review resource use, monitor plans. Element 1. Evaluate information systems. This will assess the following performance criteria. System specifications are evaluated against user requirements and feedback to identify redundancies and constraints and capabilities of information technology. Hardware and software needs are identified from assessment of available products and services. Possible uses and handling of accounting data are evaluated in consultation with users to determine security requirements. Organisational procedures and policies are analysed to evaluate scope of strategies for risk management, internal control of expenditure and compliance with statutory requirements. Inquiries regarding use of systems are monitored and recorded to ensure ongoing evaluation. Element 2. Develop implementation plans. This will assess the following performance criteria. Principles, procedures and processes arising from internal control systems are examined to determine implementation issues relevant to organisational processes. Strengths and weaknesses of organisational processes, including present and future capabilities, are analysed and incorporated in the implementation plan. Implementation is designed to cover the outcomes, resource use, costs, and the achievement and maintenance of professional accounting standards. Schedules are realistic and feasible in the context of the organisation's short and long-term objectives. Element 3. Review resource use. This will assess the following performance criteria. Sources of data input are monitored to identify influences and variations in returns and costs. Estimates of stock levels are monitored and reviewed to ensure appropriate stocking and ordering of materials and inventory items. Records of resource use are compared with unit cost estimates to evaluate projected costs. Factors influencing resource use in the future are analysed to assess impact on operations and objectives. Element 4. Monitoring plans. This will assess the following performance criteria. Implementation is adjusted to take account of emerging external influences and the establishment of alternative targets. Costs of plans are monitored and controlled by evaluating net benefits to operations from the allocation of resources. Internal control systems are adjusted to ensure the maintenance and achievement of accounting standards. The required knowledge for this unit of competency is as follows: principles of internal control including statutory requirements, a wide knowledge of recording and information management systems and software applicable to financial recording, financial legislation, for example, taxable transactions, and reporting requirements. Ethical considerations for records and file management, for example, confidentiality. The required skills for this unit of competency are as follows: research skills for tracing use of financial data, planning skills for evaluating routines for handling data, capacity to troubleshoot information technology systems, timetabling skills for overseeing the introduction of new systems and processes, capacity to identify repeating errors and diagnose problems in financial recording, writing skills for reporting and documenting procedures. This is the end of the relevant information for this unit of competency. Thank you.